Stephen Beal murdered his ex-girlfriend in one of the most depraved and despicable ways possible. He blew her up in the business she owned, a salon, using a bomb disguised as a mail package. In the process, he also severely injured two other people, customers in the salon who were there preparing for a wedding. They will have to live with the trauma from this event for the rest of their lives. This murderous act was not only callous, not only cowardly, but incredibly reckless. He endangered the lives of everyone in the building he blew up, which included people and businesses. He endangered a daycare center, which is across the way, which had to be evacuated. Children and teachers evacuated that day. But Mr. Beal did not care. He didn't care about any of it. In fact, he did everything he could to avoid being caught. He lied to investigators. He thought he'd outsmarted the investigators. He thought with his superior expertise in bomb making and rocketry, he could get away with this. But he was sorely mistaken. Because of the intrepid and dogged work of the investigators in this case, Mr. Beal was caught. And I want to commend the work of the investigators in this case who pieced together the debris from this bombing and traced back the components to Mr. Beal to make sure he would serve justice. We have with us the Orange County Fire Authority, the Orange County Sheriff's Department, the FBI, the CHP, the LAPD, all of which worked together to make this investigation possible. If not for the hard work of these investigators, Mr. Beal may never have been caught. We owe our gratitude and thanks to these investigators. Today, justice has been served. Mr. Beal will spend the rest of his days in a federal penitentiary. And because there is no parole in the federal system, Mr. Beal will never be able to get out to harm innocent victims again. And make no mistake, this is no more than what Mr. Beal deserves. Now, I know that this sentence of life imprisonment will not bring back the murder victim, Aliso Viejo. I also know that this sentence will not fully heal the trauma suffered by the other victims of this crime. But I do hope that with this sentence, the victims in this case, and all victims in our district understand that we stand with them. It is my hope that this verdict and also this sentence of life imprisonment sends a crystal clear message that we will not tolerate acts of violence. And those who would commit such acts of violence and think they're too clever to be caught, look at the example of Mr. Beal. We will catch you. And when we do, there will be severe consequences. I'd like to now turn over the microphone to our good partner, Sheriff Don Barnes. Sheriff Don Barnes has been an excellent partner in this case and in many other cases. And again, we thank him and his investigators for the enormous effort and work they did in this case. Thank you.